In this video, I will show 10 keyboard shortcuts for inserting and filling cells in Excel.
Control-Shift+ will display the Insert dialog box, and here there are a variety of options for inserting new cells. You can also insert an entire row or column by using Control-Shift+. Select the row or column that you want, then use Control-Shift+, and one new row will be inserted. If you would like to insert multiple rows or columns, simply select the number that you would like, and then use Control-Shift+, and the number you have selected will be inserted. Control- displays the Delete dialog box, and here there are a variety of options for deleting cells. You can also delete an entire row or column using Control-. Select the row or column that you would like, then use Control-, and it will delete that row or column. If you would like to delete multiple rows or columns, simply extend the selection to those columns or rows and use Control-. Shift F11 inserts a new worksheet. Control-D is the fill down command. This will copy the contents and the format of the topmost cell in a selected range into the cells below it. Here we will fill cells with a function that generates a random number. Now that the range is selected, Control-D will copy that function to all of the cells in the range. Control-R is the fill right command, and this will copy the contents and the format of the leftmost cell in a selected range into the cells to the right. We'll extend our selection to column J and use Control-R. Now we will paste the values from these cells. First, copy the cells and use Control-Alt-V to display the Paste Special dialog box. You can use the arrows to navigate, or you can use the underlined letters. Here, values is V, and you can use this to navigate directly to the selection, and that will paste the values rather than the function from those cells. Control-Q displays the quick analysis options for selected cells if they contain data. To navigate, you can use the arrows to select the analysis options. Tab will enter those options and then again navigate with the arrows. Enter makes the selection. Control-Semicolon inserts the current date. Control-Shift: inserts the current time. Shift F2 allows you to add or edit a cell comment.